Hi, Dominic Williams-Blair here with another Bombshell Bytes workout. This time we're going to do lunges. This used to be one of my go-tos and I kind of slacked, but you do it and it's going to tone, like this is for the lift that you're going to get on your butt. Yeah, it's going to tone those glutes and really work out those legs. So if you want to tone, lift it, sculpt it, it's pretty easy. You can do this anywhere, practically anywhere. You might look weird doing it anywhere, but let's get to it. If you're not that familiar with it, let's go. So, adjust your body yourself. It's a 90-degree angle. Just in case you weren't that great in math. It's like you're basically squaring it off. Then, do that. You're going to bring it forward. So you guys can see it. That squat, right? Take it to your left or your right. So instead of just launching like this, take it, bring it to the side. The pivot I was showing you before. Did you catch that? If not, we bring it up here. It's a little tight space, but we're gonna make it work. So again. But you don't need a gigantic gym. You don't need a huge outdoor space. I know, ironic that I'm saying that while I'm outdoors. But the point is to get moving. As long as you have enough room in your arms, that should be enough. So you're not hitting anything. So again, let me know how this works out for you. I love it. Try it for a couple of weeks. You can do it from the end of your room and back. And do it till you kind of wear out. But do it till you wear out. Let me know how it goes. And you should feel and see some great results. I know you used to have my butt like, whoop, butt's okay right now. But I'm not gonna promise a rid of cellulite, but when you're working those muscles, you're activating it, the more muscle you build up, the less fat you're gonna have. Nothing wrong with fat, but you know that little smoother silhouette that we like, you'll get that. You'll get that. So try it out and let me know how it works out for you. All you need is this medicine ball. Let's go. Step deep into this and twist. Deep, twist. You don't have to rush it, but make sure you are lowering your body.